Unpacking the phrase, "You'll pay for that," a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common but intriguing English phrase, "You'll pay for that." This expression can be quite confusing for learners due to its figurative and literal meanings. Let's unravel its nuances together and understand when and how to use it correctly. The phrase, "You'll pay for that," can first be understood in its literal sense. This means someone is expected to give money in exchange for something they have taken or will take. For example, if you buy a book from a store, the cashier might say, "You'll pay for that," indicating a financial transaction is required. More interestingly, "You'll pay for that" is often used in a figurative sense. In this context, it doesn't involve money. Instead, it means there will be consequences for someone's actions, usually negative. For example, if someone plays a prank on their friend, the friend might respond with, "You'll pay for that," implying there will be some form of retaliation or punishment, but not involving actual payment. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase works in different contexts. 1. In a movie, a villain might say to the hero, "You'll pay for that," after the hero thwarts their plan. Here, it's a threat of revenge. 2. Among friends, after a harmless joke, a friend might say, "Oh, you'll pay for that." This is usually light-hearted and indicates playful payback. 3. In a professional setting, this phrase can also appear in serious disputes, indicating that someone will face consequences for their mistakes or actions. It's important to understand the tone and situation before using this phrase. In casual settings among friends, it can be playful. In more serious or formal contexts, it might be considered a threat or warning. Always consider the relationship between the people involved and the current atmosphere to avoid misunderstandings. Understanding phrases like, "You'll pay for that," is crucial for mastering the subtleties of the English language. It's a great example of how context can entirely change the meaning of a phrase. We hope this video has helped clarify this expression for you. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discoveries. Keep exploring, and you'll find every phrase and idiom has its own story. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.